Hi students, now we have to discuss about the project management information system. We have already discussed in the last video about the project management information system. Now we all know that what is project management information system. Project management information system is a set of software applications as well as methodological process that helps to coordinate almost all process and functioning of an organization. So in the last video, we have discussed about the objectives, functions, key features, components, etc. of the project management information system. And we have ended with the project management information framework. Now we have to discuss about the project management information, the project management information systems framework. So, the first step in the project management information system framework is the information management policy. The focus of the policy for management of project formulation is to develop information architecture to manage the project management information system by creating, capturing and processing data to derive information and to distribute it to the right persons. So, a suitably designed and effectively implemented project management information system policy is essential. So, the information management policy should be designed in an effective manner. The information management policy of an organization includes the project management information system functions, the project management information system architecture, and the project management information system responsibility of the project team and information manager in the implementation of PMIS. And the second one in project management information system framework is its functions. The main functions of the project management information system include to set standards to measure and compare progress and cost, to establish an initial database with data structure codes and baselines, to develop a project management information system strategy in consultation with the project team and stakeholders and communicate this to all the concerned after approval by the project manager. To organize efficient means of measuring, collecting, verifying and quantifying the data that reflects the performance with respect to the time, cost, resources and quality. To manage the means of converting the data from operations into information. To report the correct and necessary information in a form which can be the best. To provide management the exemption reports. To communicate the information in time, to identify and acquire data from both internal and external sources, to create and store the digitalized documents, drawings, baselines and database. So these are the major functions of a project management information system framework. And the third one in the framework of project management information system is the project management information system architectural components. The architectural components of the project management information system consist of a hardware, a software, and its infrastructure comprises of data structure related documents, operators, procedures, and organization background structure. So these are the components of the project management information system. The first one is a hardware. The hardware may be a CPU, input devices, storage and output devices. And the software. A software can be either manufactured by the organization or can be purchased from an external source. And the important component is a database which contains all the data utilized by models and application software and individual set of stored data. And next, there should be a formal procedure for the physical components, and there should be computer operators, program analysts, system management, and data administrators. And there should be a document which consisting of processing transactions, master files, reports, and output. Now, the fourth item of the Project Management Information System framework, that is, the Project Management Information System configuration and responsibilities. The main duties and responsibilities of a Project Management Information System team includes to develop a project plan, manage the deliverables according to this plan, recruit appropriate number of staff for doing the project, lead and manage the project team, determine the methodology which is used to do the project, establish a project schedule and determine the time required for each phase, and assign tasks to the project team members for the effective completion of the work. The project team members have to possess this responsibility for the smooth functioning of a project management information system. So, a project management information system framework should have these following four items. First one, there should be an effective and suitable information management policy for facilitating the functioning of the project management information system. And the second one is the project management information systems have certain defined functions for the effective functioning of the organization. And the third one, the project management information system architectural components. Its architectural components includes a hardware, which may be a CPU, input devices, storage devices, etc. A software which can be purchased or manufactured by the organization, database, document, etc. And next is the project management information system configuration and responsibilities. The organization background structure is the hierarchy of the organization that represents the key persons and their responsibilities. As according to this organization framework, the configuration and responsibilities of the project management information system is assigned. That is, the major duties and responsibilities of the managerial persons were: first one, to develop a project plan, to manage deliverables according to this plan, recruit enough staff for doing the project, lead and manage the project team, determine the methodology for doing the project, establish a project schedule, assign tasks to the project team. This shows the structure of a project management information system. That is, the hierarchy level is shown there. Top level there is the strategic management, middle level there is the tactical management, and bottom level there is the operational management. The strategic management has the strategic planning, and the tactical management has the managerial control. They will be responsible for the management information system. And the operational level management has the operational controls, that is, transactions processing systems. Next is the subsystems of project management information systems. A project management information system has 5 basic subsystems. They are data processing system, bookkeeping, decision support system for structural decision, office information such as photocopies, telephones, emails, etc., and an artificial intelligence system. The artificial intelligence refers to human-like intelligence, and there must be a communication system such as LAN, which acts as the server. So the subsystems of the project management information system. First one, data processing system, which includes bookkeeping, reports, etc. Second one, Decision support system for structural decision. Third one, office information including photocopies, telephones, emails, etc. Fourth one, artificial intelligence system which includes human-like intelligence. And the fifth one, communication, usually a local area network which serves as a server for the project management information system. Now, what is information system computerization? The criteria to computerize the planning and control system, that is the choice between manual and computer-based project, which depends upon the network size and complexity, duration, frequency of updation, and other considerations. The network size and complexities will be more if the activities is more than that of the 200 numbers, and the time unit of activities is more than that of 3 years. The frequency of updating should be done once in a week and it should be monitored weekly. The other considerations include the weekly progress will be updated, the output to be frequently printed to the client, update the information frequently. So this shows the structure of an integrated PMIS. There will be so many data sets. We can see that here there is a drone data set, network data set, cost data set, material data set, vendor data set, job card data set, resource data set, etc. for representing the various tasks in the project management. Now, what is integrated project management information system? The integrated project management information system allows the total project information to be structured in a number of data sets which are integrated by the software. Some of the relevant data sets for a large projects include network data set, drawing data set, cost data set, material data set, vendor data set, job card data set, rates data set, resources data set, and history data set. Hi students, now we have to discuss about the project management information system. We have already discussed in the last video about the project management information system. Now we all know that what is project management information system. Project management information system is a set of software applications as well as methodological process that helps to coordinate on. Now, the advantages of project management information system. The project management information system is able to handle unlimited activities. It generates almost all types of graphs and updates the progress effectively. It can add, modify, delete the activities or resources. It is multi-user operation facility, processes and multi-user operation facility and interface with other softwares. It is easy to learn and operate. It is a user-friendly system. The problems encountered in a project management information system is, first one is the problem in system organization. That is lack of system organization in the managerial level, or lack of or delay in collection of information. The informations are stored at different locations. It is another difficulty. Sometimes there is a chance of accumulation of information and sometimes some information may be hidden and there is a resistance to change and delay may occur due to the developing and operation of the softwares. So now we have learned about project management information system, its framework, integrated project management system, etc. Hope all of you understand. Now study this portion carefully. Go through the video carefully and prepare lecture notes. Okay, thank you. Tomorrow we will see with another topic. Okay, now by this portion we comes to the end of the module 4.